AMC stock analysis and AMC stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play and everything with AMC Entertainment Holdings. Well, briefly, I know it kind of began going down a bit more than expected. And honestly, since Jimmy kind of sort of, let's say, crashed, which didn't really, just corrected quite deep. Let's say it kind of crashed. I'm looking at AMC and hoping to just double down on it going into the next week. Now, am I saying that this is what's going to happen on Monday? Not specifically, especially now, like my rules must be met, and those rules are a simple double break confirmation, because this is like a prime example of a demand zone. And in demand zones, if no rules are met, then you bet I'm not going to be looking to buy. It's very, very simple. You can see even like here, I have previous receipts, like 40 results popped up in my Discord section. But yeah, no way that I'm going to look to do it. I'm ready for Monday, so stay tuned. And if you want to stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.